This is a 2025 Adam Julite, no tack. I apologize, it has not been through the wash yet, but we are having some internet trouble here today, and photography and videography is really all I can do with no internet. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing photographed and videoed with some bugs on it. I apologize. Please overlook those. They will get washed off. It just got here late last night. So again, 2025 Adam Julite. This is the no tack version of this trailer. It has 2 escape doors. We just did the standard style camper door, escape door on this trailer. One thing that we do change about this trailer, the head divider is stationary as a standard item on this trailer, and I like for it to be able to swing or come out. So we do change that head divider to come out or be able to swing side to side. So it's more like your normal Julite with a dressing room versus the no tack model. As you can see, we have 2 pop-up roof vents there. We've added 2 saddle racks into the nose, and then there are 6 bridle hooks, 3 on each side. There's plenty of room here for your horses to be in because this head divider ends at your normal ending space for a horse. So where that head divider ends, your saddle racks are still just a smidge in front of that. So it would be unlikely, unless you had a very long head and necked horse, that they would be able to get their little lips on those saddle racks there. And then of course your bridle hooks here. We do have a spare tire mounted in the nose. So while this trailer says it's a 10-foot floor length, it really goes beyond that because that's really to where these escape door ends. Then you still have your standard nose space there, in addition to the regular floor space for the horses. So this Adam Julite is versatile and handy, even though it does not have a separate dressing room. Makes it a little bit shorter, a little bit lighter at 2,850 pounds. Empty weight, still a 7,000 pound gross vehicle weight rating, but a little bit easier to maneuver for those who don't feel like they need or want to have a dressing room. The Adam Julite these days is an all aluminum trailer, aluminum frame, aluminum skin, and aluminum roof. It does have a treated wooden floor. We've got a nice rear ramp that's nice and low to the ground and easy to lift up. It's got top doors with windows. Those windows are not a standard feature there. They're an add-on that we elected to have on this trailer. Nice sliding hip windows. There were sliding windows in the 2 escape doors. We've got a padded sidewall, padded removable divider, and padded breast and butt bars in this trailer. Again, it's a treated wooden floor underneath of these rubber mats. Nice, light, low to the ground rear ramp. We do a 4-foot extruded siding here. 2 foot would be the standard, so that ribbed metal 2 foot is the standard height. We go ahead and do ours in 4 foot at Trailer Country. It's just our preference. You could order something different, but this is the way we happen to like it, so that's the way we inventory them if we're going to look at them. Again, 2 escape doors with the sliding windows. We've got a 15-inch steel wheel, and these are an ST205 75 R15 tire. Again, there's a matching spare mounted inside of the horse trailer. You've got a running board there to get yourself in and out of that dressing room. 2025 Adam Julite, that's a straight load model trailer, no dressing room, 7'6" tall, 6'6" wide, 10-foot floor length, plus the tapering in that nose space, so it's more along the lines of a 12-foot floor, but 10 feet is your real workable horse space. This trailer is available at Trailer Country, LLC in Carrollton, Virginia. You can see all the specs on our website at trailercountryllc.com.